Yeah. You're weird.
Is it fun? It's raining taco, and don't ask why.
980. You're silly. You're a zombie. Okay. And of course, the vlog ends with me going up the stairs. This is a going up the stairs vlog.
What's that?
What is what?
No.
I don't know. Probably something that shouldn't be there.
Think you could be a spider now?
I hope not. It's creepy. Did some writing today. I watched some Sailor Moon. Trying to get back into reading the manga, so. But I did like the TV show. This is the reboot that I'm watching, Sailor Moon Crystal, or isn't it Pretty Guardian Crystal or something like that. If you are also a fan, let me know who your favorite scout is. I think my 3 favorite right now has to be Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter.